If you're looking for a fast, reliable way to book international travel, Navan makes the process incredibly simple and efficient. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to book your next international trip with Navan, plus why it's one of the best platforms for travelers and business professionals alike. Stick around to the end because I'm also going to share how you can try Navan completely free and get some exclusive bonuses. Trust me, you won't want to miss that. Booking international travel used to be a hassle, countless websites, long comparison processes, and a whole lot of confusion. But with Navan, you can streamline all of that. Whether you're booking flights, hotels, or ground transportation, Navan gives you a centralized platform to book everything in one place. It's not just a booking tool, it's an all-in-one travel management system designed to save you time and money. The interface is clean and intuitive, so you can search for flights and accommodations with a few simple clicks. Let's start with booking flights. You can easily search for available international flights based on your travel dates, destination, and even preferred airlines. Navan's platform pulls in real-time flight information, so you get up-to-date availability and pricing, which helps ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Plus, Navan integrates seamlessly with your calendar to show you available options that fit within your schedule. This is a game changer for anyone with tight timelines or business commitments. Now, let's talk about hotels. Once your flight is sorted, Navan allows you to browse a wide range of international hotels from luxury resorts to more affordable options. You can filter by location, rating, amenities, and budget, ensuring your accommodation perfectly suits your needs. And with Navan's global coverage, you can rest assured that no matter where you're traveling, you'll find the perfect place to stay. What really sets Navan apart, though, is its built-in corporate travel management tools. If you're managing travel for a team or a business, you can easily track expenses, approve or deny requests, and manage itineraries all in one place. This makes it especially useful for companies looking to keep their travel bookings efficient and organized while maintaining control over costs. It also ensures that your employees have everything they need for a smooth, hassle-free trip. One of the coolest features of Navan is its AI-powered suggestions. Based on your previous travel behavior, Navan can make recommendations for flights, hotels, and destinations that align with your preferences. So over time, the more you use the platform, the smarter it gets, making your travel planning even quicker and more personalized. And the best part? You can try Navan completely free from the first link below and get exclusive bonuses that will make your travel experience even better. This extended trial gives you full access to all the features you need to test it out and see if it's the right fit for your travel needs. It's the perfect opportunity to experience everything Navan has to offer without any commitments. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to book your next international trip with ease, using Navan's intuitive interface and powerful tools. Don't forget, check out the first link below to get your exclusive extended free trial and some added bonuses. Thanks for watching and happy travels.